Myntri ketenat boarding Abu Tahir Mondal ha ka arpendriu terik mentau bnai Leit jurip biang ban khmi ya kejingya syakman ha ka jingkieng hapo jongka dam rehabilitation and improvement projects drip ha ka jingkieng Umiam. Shua ka ni kejing Leit jurip Myntri khot penlong ya kejingya lang ya mirjingmun halor kejingya syakmat jongka kam kabaya di bat kani kejingkieng Umiam. Ha kani kejingya lang laya don lang usan J Goyal IAS Commissioner and Secretary ka Power Department but Chairman ka Managing Director ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL uba Blooming Star Watlang Director Generation MEPGCL lembat ki waypat ki he officer ka MEECL but ITD Cementation. Na kaliang Myntri penpau ya kejing kermen ba ya kani kejingkieng on lak ban plie no pura ha ka bakut jong neu bnai. Bat benrap ba on penlong ya ka high power committee ha ka art kendai terik mentau bnai na ke bentaban penbet ya ka tarik ban plie. Ha kani kejingya lang on ya don lang ru consultant na ka IIT Guwahati ka Director General of Police ki head officer ka PWD bat ki bor penyai district ka East Khasi Hills bat Ribhoi district. Myntri banjur halor ka jingdon kam ban pendep no keloi ki kam ki badangsa kenang ban pentikna na ke benta ka jingshngai bat ka jingshan slam jong kadam. Lakban kedau bekikam bala pentre hapo jong kadam rehabilitation and improvement projects drip phase 2 and 3 kala sedang naduk ka khatsau terik unok pra arajar arpulai.
We have started these drip programs, dam rehabilitation and improvement programs on the midnight of 14 December and we have almost completed every components. Some minor work is left that will be continued, but that will not hamper the passing of traffic and all. So very soon the high power committee will sit on Monday and will fix the date for opening this bridge. And hopefully within this month we will open the bridge if everything goes well. And we have called our consultant IIT also to attend to the meeting. And so also the DGP, the PWD officials and also the district administration from both sides, Khasi Hills side and Ribhoi side. So we are hoping that without hampering the passage of traffic, the remaining minimal work will be continued. That's all.